Today I'm going to tell you all about fire. So for this experiment, what you will need is a candle, a small jar, a matchbox, and a matchstick. So about the jar, the smaller it is, the faster the surprise will happen. So let's see. So first you need to light it. I'm really scared. And now you just put it on. And then what you do is, see, the fire has all his food, the fuel, the oxygen, and the heat source. So let's see what happens if we keep the jar in. And let's count by tick tick. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4, tick tick 5, tick tick 6, tick tick 7, tick. And tick tick 30. Oh, it went off now. That's because the jar was small, so it had less air in it, and when all the air was burnt away, the fire couldn't take more, so it just vanished into thin air. And then now all the smoke is coming out, so pretty much, yeah. And hi, today we're going to learn about clouds. So what you would need to make cloud is boiling water and ice. So first you have to pour your boiling water into a clear glass or jar. And then what you do, you have to get its lid or a type of plate. And then you put it on, and on top of the plate you put on ice. And then you have to leave it for 1 minute. Meanwhile, you can see what it's actually really doing. Here's a little hole there. And then pretend the sun made it boiling, and then it invisible gas goes up, and it's called evaporations. Then on the top over here is like tiny dust particles or pollen, and then the water particles and dust particles mix together, forming a cloud. And if the water particles if thousands of water particles collect together to make one drop, it falls down from the cloud. Hi, today we're going to learn about the naked egg experiment. So do you know what will happen? What will happen is that, do you know the eggshells is made out of calcium carbonate, and then the vinegar is made out of acetic acid, and then if we mix them together, the calcium carbon dissolved. It's gonna dissolve. So then, do you know what will happen tomorrow? The eggshell will be gone, and you can pretend like the eggshell is the acid. Then if the eggshell is gone, then there's no one to protect the people inside. So that means the water can go through it. And while it's in the water, there are small bubbles around it, and that's carbon dioxide. So now let's start. First, we're going to fill in the vinegar. Again, I hope it doesn't break. And now all we see, do you see these tiny bubbles in? They're carbon dioxide. Wow, looks like the brown part. It's the eggshell. The eggshell is starting to come out. Hi! Today we're going to rock our balloon rockets to Mars, which is our chandelier. Yeah. My name is Swastii.
My name is Shania.
I'm 8.
And I'm 5.5.
We're the Srivastava sisters. And now, do you know using what of Newton's law we're going to send this to Mars? We're going to use Newton's third law. Do you know what's Newton's third law? every action is equal and opposite reaction. Like this, for example, if the air is coming out this way, the balloon will go out that way because of the air pressure. So now I think we're going to launch it. And launch in 3, 2, 1.
Ah! Oh, it kind of went like a fun. Mine kind of went like a ride in the fair.
That was really good.
It went like a ride in the fair.
It's not a problem. Bye.
Bye.